Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can win emoji PONG game on Instagram. So let's go and do that. So I will send here to the chat one emoji, for example this one, and then just double click on that or long press. So, and like that we are in the game. Now what you need to do is just uh, need to be careful that this emoji doesn't fall into back at the back of this line which you are sliding left and right on your screen, and with that you try to beat your friend uh, with whom you started this challenge. So as you can see at the top, that friend will have an score how many he got or she got. So you need to beat that, and that's how you win this emoji pong game on Instagram. So you just need to be patient, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.